Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the third chapter, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Students, you know that Hitler was there in First World War, and Germany fought combinedly with Austria, with other country of the Europe like England, France, and after some time America also engaged in war with Germany and Austria, and Germany, they lost the battle, they lost the war, and Germany fought that war by taking loan from the other countries of the Europe. After getting defeat in war, the king of Germany fled away. Here some points are given about the Germany. After the defeat of Imperial Germany at the end of the First World War, King Kaiser William II fled to Holland. This gave an opportunity to the parliamentary parties to recast Germany polity. They met at Weimar and established a republic in November 1918, known as the Weimar Republic. The Weimar Republic had to face many problems since its beginning. Some of them are the terms and conditions of the Treaty of Versailles were too harsh and humiliating. Germany has to agree to pay huge war compensation amounting to £6 billion to allied countries. After getting defeat in First World War, the king fled away from the Germany, and it gave opportunity to the parliamentary parties to stabilize Republican government, democratic government in Germany. They started meeting at Weimar, and they stabilized their rule according to parliament. But from the beginning, they were suffering. They have a lot of problems because of the defeat, and they had made treaty at Versailles, and that was too hard treaty, and they have to pay huge amount. And also some areas of the Germany were taken by the allies who fought war with Germany. In this way, the condition of Germany became worse, and the Weimar Republic do not work properly, and at last, when Hitler rises in power, he dissolved the Republican government, and he started his own power. He used his own power and he re-stabilized the Germany. The economic condition of the Germany was so worst due to First World War, and the Weimar Republic was not able to solve the problems of the people of the country. That is why it was not so popular, and people of the country were making job on that Republic government. This gave rise of Hitler in power. The condition of society, the economic crisis, and the condition of society, these all gave support to Hitler to rise in power. In beginning, Nazi were not so powerful, but the condition of Germany gave opportunity to come in power. The Nazis could not effectively mobilize popular support till the early 1930. By 1932, the Nazi party had become the largest party in the German parliament. On 30 January 1933, Hitler got chancellorship of the Germany. Chancellorship means he was the most powerful person of the Germany by becoming Chancellor of the German. Having acquired power, he set out the dismantle the structure of democratic rule. On 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. This act stabilized Hitler's dictatorship in Germany. After passing the Enabling Act, the Hitler became so powerful and he stabilized dictatorship in Germany, and after stabilizing his power, dictatorship, he started rebuilding, remaking the German, and according to Hitler, war was the best way to get the resources for their people, for their citizen. For this, at first, he wanted to make good condition of the economy of the country, and he started stabilizing a network of road by giving employment to the people, and afterwards, when his condition became good, he started attacking on the neighboring countries like Poland. He attacked Poland, then some part of Rus, and neighboring country, and he wanted to get the resources of the country for the development of his own nation. After coming in power, the Nazi, the synonymous of Hitler, they started ruling according to their view. According to them, Jews, Gypsies and black living in Nazi Germany were classified as undesirable. They were considered as racial inferior who threatened the biological purity of the superior Aryan race. They were widely persecuted. The condition of Jew in Nazi Germany was too worst. Lakhs of Jews were killed. They were sent to concentration camp in Poland, and also the black people were considered impure, and many people they were sent to concentration camp and they were killed by the Nazi, the Hitler, and too much criminal were done at that time, and he started war with his neighboring country. He wanted to expand his territory, his area, and he wanted to capture the all part of the Europe, and he wanted to rule all over the European area. After attacking on Poland and his neighboring country, Germany attacked on Soviet Rus. This was very big blunder by the Germany on attacking Rus from the western front. There was a bombing by England, and in eastern front the Soviet Rus, the Red Army of Soviet Rus was attacking on Germany, and when Japan attacked on USSR at Indochina, and from that time America also entered in the war, and in 1945 the allies of England, Rus, America, France, they defeated the Germany, and before that defeat, the Hitler, they had done suicide. When he come to know that he is going to be defeated, they submitted suicide with their officers, and in this way the Second World War ended.